has drained you of every energy that you had. Welcome back. It is Ananda Sharma and I am back with another video. This video is going to be all about how to follow me on the journey of glowing up. We will be glowing up together, and in this journey we will be talking about weight loss, skincare tips, so many tips that will make you feel amazing, and not only make you look amazing, feel amazing, but you guys will actually step into your best version of yourself. So if it is walking away from that idiot or leveling up and getting your career on track, whatever it is, you guys will be walking in to the best version of yourself. So 2027 will be looking like the most unstoppable you. If you guys like videos where it levels you up and shows you how to be the best version of yourself, make sure you guys follow me and follow the journey where we level up and become the most hottest, richest, smartest versions of ourselves. Hey, we might not be rich tomorrow, but we will definitely be working towards that. This is Ananda Sharma and I am back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about how do we actually start our goals off. It's going to be January 1st, and what the hell do we do? So the first thing you want to do is definitely concentrate on your goals, right? January 1st comes around. Why is your calendar not marked up? It's okay if it's not marked up, because we were eating, we were celebrating, we were having fun, we were getting down for the parties, right? But we got to get back on track. So I'd say give yourself until January 2nd or January 5th, and let's get back on track and let's start our calendars off. So what is our workouts? Are we working out 2 times a week? Are we working out 5 times a week? I hope you said 5. But it's okay if you said 2 or 1. It's because the goal is to make sure, not that we look good, but we're working out for our mental health. We're working out so we have the momentum to do the things that we need to do. And it's a bonus that will be looking amazing, right? So we want to put working out on the list. So we need to know, when are we going to the gym? When are we going to watch the Pilates video? When are we going to watch the workout video? Are we going to walk, or are we going to just start off slow with a little bit of walking and just eating really strict? What are we doing? We need to get that part on track. For the toxic people in our family or in our spaces or our friends, what are we doing about the toxic people? Are we still talking to them? Are we still giving them our time, our peace? Are we just handing it over to them? Because girl, what the hell are we doing there? So we are going to start off soft, which is limiting the time that they have access to us. So we're going to limit the amount of access. So it's no more, hours or days or whatever it is, amount of access that you would give. So you'd slowly cut them off. If you can cut them off cold turkey, go ahead. I'm rooting for you. We're going to work on our friendship, our environment. The people in it is definitely going to be big. Tell me we have at least 3 goals. A book that we're reading, losing weight, working on your career, working on leveling up in your career or something. Please tell me you have something on that list. We're working on those 3 things, and we can definitely do things throughout the week to make sure we're working on those things. Weight loss, get in the gym. Working on reading a book, make sure the book is on your nightstand. If you're making sure that you're leveling up in your career, then you need to actually put in the work. If it is in your job, you need to be putting in hours, you need to be showing up, present. If it's your social media, then girl, you need to be posting. Why are you not posting videos? We're waiting on you. We're not going to bite. We're not sharks. So go ahead and post that video. And next, are we taking care of our health? Are we letting the universe, are we letting the world, who's taking care of us, huh? So health should definitely be one of our goals. If we're working on becoming healthy in whatever issues you guys have, you better be taking care of those issues. put it on your calendar. Whatever you got to do, put it on the calendar. If you got to eat more greens, eat your greens. If you got to watch your salt, you watch your salt. If you got to watch your sugar, you watch your sugar. Go ahead and put it on your reminder. If you got to put it in your book, like, you know, here's a sticker. I didn't have any sweets today. You're going to the doctor, you're getting regular checkups, and you're making sure that you're good. We want you to be exceptional for 2026. Get on that. Make sure you guys take care of your health. Make sure you're feeling amazing. Make sure you're looking amazing, but you're actually doing amazing. So definitely take care of your health. I know you're a little scared about this one, but have you looked at your bank account? Have you actually looked at your bank account? Do you know how much money you have? Do you know how much money that you're able to save? Are you just wasting money? Are you wasting money? Are you just like overspending? So we need to make a good habit with money. We need to treat money really precious so we can level up, look good, and actually have money in our account. So that means you better be putting money in your savings, and if you can, go ahead and invest a small amount into an investing bank. So make sure that you guys are taking care of your money. And the best thing I would say, because it can be scary if you're always broke or if you're always not sure, so you're okay. So financially, what I love to do and what has always worked for me is making sure that I know all the expenses that I have. I know all my subscriptions. I know everything that's going in and out of my account. So make sure that you guys know what's going on. Do not let anything just flow. If I have money, I have. If my bank a card declines, then oh well. No, we are not going into 2026 with our bank cards declining. Hell to the no. So make sure that you guys go through your bank statements. Make sure you know what you could actually eliminate, what you could actually cut down on. If it's coffee, it's coffee. If it's shopping, it's shopping. You need to be brutally honest with yourself, and you need to pay off some debt. You need to invest, you need to save, and you need to know what your bills are actually. Most importantly, out of all of everything I said, do not forget to be kind to yourself. Take your time and know it's okay. You'll get there when you get there, but just keep taking steps. And lastly, I forgot to say this, but this is so crucial. This is going to be a major part of glowing up. Get rid of the people that do not deserve to be in your life, that do not deserve your energy. Do not let them drain you of any energy that you have and then wonder why it's 2027 and guess what? None of your goals have been reached because your sister, your brother, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your anyone has drained you of every energy that you had, and guess what? You weren't able to achieve any of your goals. So make sure you have the right people in your circle so you can actually stay on track and achieve those goals. So I will talk to you guys next time, and make sure you get rid of those bums.